Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mokoko. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the flower on the top right. We'll start with a small circle. And then let's work our way around, drawing flower petals like this. And that's it for the flower. Now we're going to draw the shape of the head. We'll start by drawing a curve over to the left side and down. And let's continue it by bringing it down and in. And then under the flower, let's draw a curve down and in on the right side. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw a V-shaped point in the center at the top. And let's work our way out on both sides with a zigzag line. And then let's continue the zigzag line going down on both sides. Now let's hop into the bottom section and let's draw the face. Let's start at the top and let's draw two curves down and up for the tops of the eyes. Then underneath, let's draw a large curve down and back up. Now inside each eye, let's draw a large oval. And then let's add a large circle inside at the top. And then a smaller one underneath. And lastly, for each eye, let's draw three curves out for the eyelashes here. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw a heart shape for the nose. Now for the mouth, let's hop to the left side and let's draw a large curve down and bring it up on the right. Now underneath, let's add the teeth. Let's start in the center and let's draw two V-shaped points out. And work our way out on both sides. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a large curve up to the left and back down. And the same next to it on the right side. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve in the same way. And then in the center, let's draw two curves going down, meeting at a point at the top and bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head in the center and let's draw two lines down and a curve across the bottom. Now for the sides of the bow, let's draw a curve down on both sides and curve it in underneath. And then let's add 2 diagonal lines inside on the left and the right. Now underneath the bow, let's draw a large U-shaped curve down and back up for the belly patch. And then inside, let's continue the bow by drawing 2 curves down in the center, 2 more next to it, and close off the end of each side. And that's it for the bow. Now top underneath and let's continue drawing the body. We'll start with a curve down on both sides. And then a curve across in the center. Now top back up and add the arms. On both sides, we'll start with a curve down and out. And bring it back in with a zigzag line. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve down and up for the thumbs here. Then let's curve it down on the outside. Then let's bring it down and back up. And that's it for the arms. Now let's add the legs underneath. Let's start with a curve down for the outside and 2 on the inside. And a zigzag line across to close off each leg. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw 2 lines down underneath each leg. Angle it back in at the bottom. And 1 more V-shaped point in the center. And that's it for Mokoko. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!